Hello friends, welcome to another unboxing. And today I'm checking out the PG 120-inch projector screen. Let's open this bad boy up, shall we? Alright, so I just got that projector if you've been watching some unboxing videos, and kind of impressed just on a regular screen, or actually just a sheet I put up, and the video quality is quite good actually. So where else can you get a 120-inch television for just a few $100, right? So what do we got here in the package? We have, looks like 6 clips there, and 6 more plastic clips with double-sided tape. And a couple of ropes, okay? So this can be picked up off Amazon for about $25, and it says it's supposed to be wrinkle-free once you stretch it out a little bit. So it's kind of stretchy. I believe it's made out of, I want to say, polyester. What am I thinking here? Let's look. Foldable anti-crease projector movies. I can't think of the word right now. So I have my little cheat sheet here. Don't tell anybody. But anyways, I guess it doesn't matter really what it's made out of, as long as it says you can wrinkle it up or whatever, and then when it stretches out, should be like wrinkle free, and that looks pretty good. This is just mainly the unboxing right now. Let's see how thick this is. I can't really see through it, even look at that. I guess a little bit, but it should be, once it stretches out, it's supposed to be a nice screen there. So I'm kind of excited to get this set up. The projector I have has a 100, or says it has a 200-inch viewing area. I have a large wall in my living room, and that's where this is going to come in handy. I wonder if this is, if it's washable. Easy to set up with sticky back hooks or rope, lightweight and compact one-piece design. So this is 120 inches, which is a 10-foot screen, and it's about perfect in the back of my living room because of my wall. I could throw this bad boy up, and it's just going to be a monster. I'm really excited to try this out. So that is the unboxing. You got some rope, you got some clips. Evidently some double-sided tape with some clips can hold this thing up. It's not that heavy. We're talking a couple pounds, maybe, if that. So pretty excited to be trying this out. Like I said, just with a regular bed sheet, kind of a white one. It was, the picture from that projector was pretty amazing. So I'm kind of excited to try that out and have like a 10-foot television in my the equivalent in my living room. So that should be kind of cool to watch movies on and stuff like that. So this screen, yeah, for $25 or whatever it was, you can't really beat that. I'll leave a link in the description below. You guys can check it out on Amazon, and I will also leave a link to the projector. I'm going to be doing a video also where I set this up for you guys, show you what the picture looks like and everything on there, so that should be kind of fun. So stick around for that. We're going to have a great day, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching this unboxing video.